Today we will learn about Tricarboxylic Acid Cycle or TCA Cycle in a simple, easy to understand way. You will find clear explanation, diagrams and important concept here. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell so you do not miss any biology lessons. So let's get started. So first of all, you know that why it is called TCA cycle or tricarboxylic acid cycle. As you know that in 1937, Sir Hans Krebs, he proposed this cycle. So by this name, it is called the Krebs cycle, and he got the Nobel Prize in 1953. So there are the preparatory steps for this reaction sequence. We know that in glycolysis, the end product was, in aerobic oxidation, end product was pyruvic acid or pyruvate. So this pyruvate, it will convert to form the acetyl-CoA. So acetyl-CoA, it enters into the cycle and completely it will oxidize. And during this process, the energy is trapped. The sources of acetyl-CoA are shown in this figure. You see that glucose is converted to form pyruvate, that I already told you, and pyruvate to form the acetyl-CoA. Again, acetyl-CoA also comes from fatty acid oxidations, beta oxidation, and ketogenic amino acids. It comes from the acetyl-CoA. So these are the way by which acetyl-CoA you can get the acetyl-CoA. So the source of acetyl-CoA it is already shown here. Pyruvate derived from the glycolysis oxidatively decarboxylated to form the acetyl-CoA that I have already discussed here. So this is the link in between the TCA cycle and glycolysis. So the pyruvate dehydrogenase reaction occurs in a mitochondria. Pyruvate with the help of a carrier can enter into the mitochondria to the cytoplasm. The acetyl-CoA derived from beta oxidation is found in the mitochondria itself. All such enzymes in citric acid cycle are located inside the mitochondria. Very, very important terms here. Now, in the first steps, formation of citric acid or citrate. How it is formed? The 4 carbon of oxaloacetate condense with the 2 carbon of acetyl-CoA with the help of citrate synthase enzyme. This is the figure, and it will form the citrate. Now, this citrate is 1 molecule of water is removed here, and it will form the cis-aconitate. Then again 1 molecule of water is added to form the isocitrate, but the enzyme is same aconitate enzyme. Now, isocitrate with the help of dehydrogenase enzyme, isolated dehydrogenase enzyme, it is also 2 steps reactions. One is it will form the oxalosuccinate where the NAD is required, and another is 1 molecule of carbon dioxide is reduced from here, removed from here, and it will form the α-Ketoglutarate. So here also the enzyme are same. This α-Ketoglutarate, it will form Succinyl-CoA with the help of NAD and α-Ketoglutarate dehydrogenase enzyme. Now the Succinyl-CoA, it will produce succinic acid with the help of GTP and succinate thiaconase enzyme. Now succinate, it will form fumaric acid or fumarate with the help of FAD, and then fumarate with the help of 1 molecule of water and fumarase enzyme, it will form the malic acid or malate. Now this malate with the help of NAD and malate dehydrogenase enzyme, it will form the oxaloacetate. So again, once again, 4 molecule of oxaloacetate is formed, and this will again combine with the acetyl-CoA to form the citrate or citric acid. So again, 6 carbon of citric acid was formed. Now, the important thing which I want to discuss here, there is the functions of the citric acid cycle. What are the functions? First of all, if you see this is the final common oxidative pathway which oxidizes acetyl-CoA to the carbon dioxide. Secondly, it is the source of reduced coenzyme that provide the substrate to the respiratory chain. Third, it acts as a link in between the catabolic and anabolic pathways. So it is the amphiolic pathways. Fourth, it provides the precursor for the synthesis of amino acids and nucleotides. And lastly, the component of citric acid cycle have direct or indirect controlling effect on key enzyme of the another pathway. So this is all about the steps of the citric acid cycle, and how many ATP can be formed or produced, that we will discuss in the separate lectures. But today we already learned that what are the steps of the citric acid cycle and how it will form the citrate, that we have discussed here. So if you find this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell so you do not miss the next biology lessons class. Thank you for watching and see you in the next our fruitful classes. Thank you.